Yep.
What's he doing?
Licking the plate still.
Oh.
And she's right there waiting for her baby at the window. She's looking.
She brought him up here because she knew we would take care of him better than they would.
Yeah. Cherokee Daddy. Little tuxedo
So
boy
this
kitten.
is the one that Daddy seen. I was sitting out there resting because I only made it two rounds without orange.
Velcro cat. He loves
So
them
I was sitting
legs.
there out there, and I seen him come up and hollered for you.
Yeah. And I treat these kittens like we did Jimmers and them before the accident.
Yeah, probably so. Is he gonna get through? What's he doing? Is he still eating?
Yeah, he's licking the juice. I can hear the purring off of this kitten too.
Yeah, I can hear him purr.
He got blue eyes for right now.
Look at her. She's laying down there.
She's concerned about her baby kitten.
That's little Cherokee.